tonight, the criminal prosecution in the Georgia 2020 election interference case is moving to a pivotal phase. All 19 defendants, including former President Donald Trump, have now surrendered to Fulton County authorities, and now District Attorney Fani Willis is setting the stage for trial. Today, she told all the defense attorneys that her office is ready to share evidence, and she's pushing for arraignments to begin the week of September 5th, right after Labor Day. Still, no decision from the judge on that. Meanwhile, Trump's co-defendants in the Georgia case are making their own moves. Today, his former campaign lawyer, Sidney Powell, filed a motion for a speedy trial. She's accused of promoting false claims of ballot fraud in the 2020 election. Powell joins Ken Chesebro in demanding a speedy trial. He was allegedly a key architect of the fake elector scheme. Tonight, Politico reports that 3 Trump co-defendants say they became fake electors because the former president and his campaign lawyers told them to. Along with all this, at least 5 defendants have formally asked to have their cases moved to federal court. Former Trump Chief of Staff Mark Meadows is one of them. A federal judge is set to hold a hearing on that request Monday. Meadows claims that the allegations against him were all part of his official duties as Trump's Chief of Staff.
The federal judge has said, okay, show me some evidence why you were really within your official scope of responsibilities. He can't testify. He could maybe weave his own way on direct, but he would be clobbered on cross-examination. So he's going to have to carry his burden somehow with evidence, real evidence that doesn't include his own testimony.
One witness expected to testify is Georgia's top election official, Brad Raffensperger. Remember, Trump was heard on tape asking him to find 11,780 votes. And another critical hearing is set to take place Monday, this one right here in Washington, D.C. Judge Tanya Chutkan, who's overseeing Trump's federal election case, will decide on a start date for that trial.